Hi everyone, in this video I will tell you about how to make an envelope using an A4 size paper. First, what the things you need are A4 size paper, scissor and the Fevistick glue. Now, what you need to do, you just need to fold the paper half, covering its all sides equally. You can see here touching the corners to corners so that the paper covers it fully. So this we have done. Now we will press over here. After pressing we will open it. Now what we will do, we will fold it. You can see this line in the center. We will just surpass this line a bit ahead, about half centimeters or 5 mm. We will check it about both the sides. It's equal. Now we will press it. Similarly for the other side. Taking 5 mm, just add by this 5 mm. That's it. Now what we'll do, we will open it. Again, we will fold it from here. A little bit about 2 centimeters. Now from here more than 2 centimeters, about 3 centimeters, 3 to 4 it can be. Done. Now we need scissor. We will cut these parts. So now of all 4 corners are going to be finished after cutting. So you can see I have cutted all the 4 corners. Now what we do, we will cut this portion in a curve, that is like this. Similarly this portion like this. Similarly these two. Be sure to cut this portion exactly in a curve, as this will be the topmost portion of the envelope. Okay. Now we are done. Now it's time to paste this. Fix this envelope. Now what I need is this Fevistick gum. I will open it. Now I will fix it. Internal paper. Fixing it. Now after fixing, we get this. I fixed it in this portion. Now we get a good looking envelope. Now we can put a paper inside it easily. See how it's. Now fix it over here. See, it's an envelope with an A4 size paper. Thank you for watching, guys. If you like this, please subscribe.